he was gonna go far with life, but unfortunately they cut that short.
UNokulunga Khwange ekwengathethekiyo inhlungu lo wasetyhini uminyaka i-34 ongunina kubantwana ababini uzilele unyana wakhe ominyaka 6 Silindo Kuhle Mtshali. Lekwekwe ichabe ngomhla wokuqala kuJulayi kungekapheli neeyure ezingama-24 ityelele uyise eBrokenspruit eMpumalanga.
A call from the baby daddy. He said he's outside. I've asked, what are you doing outside in my place this time? He said there's an emergency. And then they told me that my son was eaten by dogs. He passed away.
Susela ukwehlukana kwabazali bakhe ngo-2020 Silindo Kuhle ebehlala noninakhulu noyisemkhulu eMpuma Koloni ebetyelele unina ngeeholide zikaJune ePitoli ngethuba uyise emcela ukuba avele nakuye. Emva kokubaliselwa ibali lokuba umntwana wakhe ulunyeze ezinja wasweleka uNokulunga usola unyawo lwemveni.
When I was identifying my baby's body, I saw the cut. There was no dog bite, as it's supposed to have a dog bite, like, because the dog doesn't cut, it bites. So when I look at that skin, it's just not possible, because the skins are peeled out, and I can see the shape of the knife. When you look at the baby, there is a shape of the knife, and then the whole body that they said is got nothing. The leg is half gone. The leg, I'm sure 80% of the side is gone. There is a tracksuit.
So there's nothing is torn.
There is nothing that is torn. And again, on the clothes, that gave me another suspicion when I was checking my baby's clothes. They are not torn. So I don't understand what maybe the dog that was eating the baby, it was stripped the baby, the clothes, and then put it on after that. Because not even one bite.
Ingxele yamapolisa nganomba ithi kwindawo yeziganeko kwakubonakala iimpawu zokujijisana negazi edongeni. Uphando lubonisa ukuba ohlobo lwezinja luchaphazeleka kwesi siganeko lungayingozi xa lingaqeqeshwanga kakuhle. Nangona ingezo zinja zilumayo kodwa zinganoburhalarhume.